Now we're going to show you examples of three-step guided compliance. I'm going to walk you through the sequence of actions for how we're providing praise or consequences based on the student's response. Darcy, have a seat in the chair. Thank you so much for listening. Nice job. Darcy, I need you to clean up the blocks on the floor, please. I'm going to give approximately 10 seconds in between my first step and my second step, which is now going to be to gesture. Darcy, I need you to pick up these blocks on the floor over here. Thank you so much. Good listening. What you'll see is that I'm still going to provide praise and reinforcement for the task being completed because it was still done independently. However, I'm also not going to give the same level of enthusiastic praise as I would have the first time. I also want to make sure that that praise is only delivered after the demand is completely finished and not a little bit too early in case that student decides not to follow through on the full task and demand. Darcy, I need you to put that bag of Legos on top of the table. Same thing, I'm going to give about 10 seconds and I'm moving to step 2. Darcy, I need you to put these bag of Legos on top of the table like this. It's your turn. No. Even when a student refuses initially, I'm still going to give that 10 seconds to create that opportunity for the student to comply. But after that 10 seconds, if the student continues to refuse, now I'm going to move to step 3, and step 3 is going to be to prompt them through that task. You need to put the bag on top of the table. You'll notice that I'm not going to provide any praise at the end of that sequence, essentially because I had to help and assist that child in completing that demand. So remember that we're going to provide praise after step 1 when that verbal demand is provided, and step 2 even with the gestural prompt being provided as well. But if I have to get to step 3 and I need to prompt that student through that sequence, no praise is going to be provided, and we would essentially just move on to the next demand. Again, that was an example of 3-step guided compliance.